the essence of yourselves. You must not become too wrapped up in churches, religions or groups and movements, because if you become too involved in those institutions led by men, you will easily forget your final and original goal. This I repeat in so many of my messages because so many still do not understand it. You must find your personal path to the ideal of creation, realize your personal 3 blessings with me. And you must move from the group identity, which the churches and movements have given you, to an individual and family identity with me. Adapt yourselves to the present era of individual and family being, which realizes the 3 blessings. Remember that your spiritual and divine essence is in the original and personal relationship with me, which you can have only if your mind and heart fully and freely and happily, joyfully experience a relationship with me. The great religions of history, no spiritual experience and tradition of them can help you decrease the personal distance between you and me. You have to walk alone, you will feel it when I have the time, you will know it. Everything will no longer satisfy you spiritually because it is your original spirit that wants to come to me freely without structures. That is the time to walk alone in the freedom and free will of my ideal of creation. Parents may have certain dreams for their children, but the children first must have an inner, spiritual realization and connection with me. Often there are differences even in individual churches' view of me. I am the center of your life and your family, and you must become aware of that, even at the family level, of your individual relationship with me, from which you find origin, purpose, ideal. Even if you make mistakes, you will understand from your mistakes. Grow and we will grow together. Today history has come to this point. Incredible worldwide interconnection is possible with technology and the Internet. But the most important thing for every individual and family, regardless of its social and human context, is that first it must know itself as an individual, as God's family, with me as the central axis of existence. Every individual must first create a heart and mind relationship with me. That is the starting basis of all development, value, dignity and purpose. And that is possible today, for the first time in history, thanks to my new revelations, messages. And since this original heart and mind is in every person, this sense of seeking me directly will gather those who are spiritually ready from every religion and even non-religious people to me freely. Today is the time to stop being led by a religion or church, passively, even if you have found identity, value and existential purpose in that path. Today the path is spiritual and individual, not group. You have to make the last stretch of this path alone together with me.